Arvind Kejriwal and New Delhi election. November 14th is the day for New Delhi election. Now, how is Arvind Kejriwal going to work? How this election is going to fare and how things are going to go further for Arvind Kejriwal. This is Jayashree Astrologer talking about Arvind Kejriwal and New Delhi election. First is Arvind Kejriwal has Venus, Mercury and Jupiter in the 5th house, and with the start of the Jupiter period, the 9th Lord period in the 5th house triggered the arrival of a guru, Anna Hazare. But he has a very strange habit. Since Venus, Mercury and Jupiter is combined, from Saturn, Mercury becomes the 3rd and 6th Lord. So he is not able to have any long-term relationship with his teachers or the mentors, and he always likes to pick up controversy. So the controversy means Anna Hazare leaving Anna Hazare, which also meant the opening of the political life for Arvind Kejriwal. So now also there is a big controversy. It could be the scams or him going to the Tihar jail, whatever it is, Arvind Kejriwal is in the midst of the very big controversy. So what will the election give him for this? With this controversy, how he is going to fare the election? As usual, with the controversy, with the challenges, Arvind Kejriwal has risen up above all these things and won the election. If you take the first term election of Arvind Kejriwal, he won the election and it was only a 49-day government taking the support of Congress. But the second term, what he did, it was a stellar performance where he could rule Delhi for the 5-year total period. Now, the same scenario has opened. There is a controversy. There is a big challenge. People, the politicians do not want him to come back. But how it will be? He will win the election. AAP will win the election. But the main problem is that how will he take the CM post? That will be the very big question and challenge for Arvind Kejriwal. The last term, he could not fully complete the term of 5 years. So he had to go for jail. He had to bring lot of people who will be the CM. The same way, this time also, even though the Aam Aadmi Party will win the Delhi election, him taking the post of CM will be a very big question. Added to it, astrologically, his Jupiter period is getting over with the 2026 year. So by 2026, there can be a lot of change in his political life. So AAP will win, but Arvind Kejriwal becoming the CM of New Delhi will be a very big question mark. Please subscribe to this channel and also share my video. Thank you.